Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove emoji from photo for free by online, by browser. You can go to your Chrome, and this is a clean up pictures, clean up dot pictures. You can go to this web to remove any unwanted object, defect people or text from your pictures in seconds. Let's try by tap or click here. Choose one of your picture with emoji that you want to remove. For example, this one. So I want to remove the emoji here. One, a brush. You have to wait. The one emoji is gone. Two, and also you can adjust the size of this brush. Here, three, four, and this is the last one. Five emoji is gone now. So you can download this picture and you can make a color correction or color grading later to make this picture clean. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe as well as the next button below. See you in the next video.